Hi friends, welcome back to Alaskan Homemaker. I'm Mary. Today we're going to make Dutch pancakes, or they're also called German pancakes. So let's get started. Our oven needs to be at 425 and I'm using my iron skillets. There's 3 tablespoons of butter in each. The recipe calls for clarified butter, but I'm just using regular butter. Okay, and it also says to have room temperature eggs and room temperature milk, but every time I think of making the Dutch pancakes, I don't have time to warm them up or anything. So I'm just gonna go with it, and it always turns out anyways. So I'm doubling the recipe. I've got 6 eggs, and we need 1 1/3 cups of milk. Ooh, that was the perfect amount. Okay, and we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and we need 1 cup of flour. Okay, and now we're going to blend that up. Okay, that looks good. I'll bring you back when our iron skillets are heated up and the ovens come up to temp. Our oven is up to temp, so we're going to pull out our iron skillets. Okay, and we're going to pour our batter in. Okay, and we're going to bake them 20 to 25 minutes. See you in a bit. Our Dutch babies were in the oven for 20 minutes. They will deflate a little. But when they come out of the oven, they look epic. I like to sprinkle mine with some powdered sugar. Okay, now we're going to cut into it, and you can serve it with maple syrup or some of your favorite syrup that you like to have. I've got some maple syrup here. So So we'll just drizzle a little bit of syrup on there. Okay, let's give it a try. It looks delicious. These are so easy to make. That is really good. It's crispy on the outside and it's soft on the inside. I think y'all will love this recipe. If you like this recipe, please give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.